Hello everyone. Today in animal tissue we are going to discuss here about what is mean tissue as well as histology, then types of tissue which are presently in human body, and first one we discuss here some types of epithelial tissue. Here first, what is mean tissue? Tissue is a group of cells having same origin as well as same structure and function. Therefore, it is defined as it is a group of cells having same embryonic origin, structure and functions. Therefore, when various tissues combine together in an orderly manner, then it forms a functional unit called organs. After that, these organs combine together and forms organ system. These organs combine together and forms organ system, and the cells of two types, that is a somatic cells as well as germ cells. Somatic cells means these are all of cells except germ cells, that is a reproductive cells. In human body, the reproductive cells are sperms in males and ova in females. Therefore, the sperm and ova are the germ cells, and other than sperm and ova, all cells which are present in our body are called reproductive cells. Therefore, in the reproductive system, the cells sperm and ova are involved, and because of this, the main tissues means here the basic concept is a cell. With the help of cells, tissues are formed. Tissue. With the help of tissue, organs are formed, that is a organ. Then with the help of organs, organ system is developed. Organ system. And with the help of all organ system, body is develops. And therefore, here with the help of all these structures, we discuss here the basic unit of body is a cell. Bunch of cells which have same origin and same structure and same function are called tissues. When tissues are grouped together, then organs are formed. With the help of organs, organ system is developed, and with the help of organ system, body is developed. Then next point is a histology. Histology. Histology, here the study of structure and arrangement of tissue is called histology. Here study of structure and arrangement of tissue म्हणजे ऊतींचा रचना आणि त्याची जी नियोजनबद्धता असते याला आपण histology म्हणतो. There are four types of tissue present in human body, that are epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. These are four main types of tissue which are present in human body. First, here we discuss about epithelial tissue. Epithelial means epi means above and thelial means layer of cells. Therefore, epithelial tissues forms a covering on inner and outer surface of body and organs. Therefore, the cells of this tissue are compactly arranged. Compactly arranged म्हणजे गर्दीनं एकमेकांच्या जवळ ते असतात compactly arranged with little intercellular matrix. With little intercellular matrix, cells rest on non-cellular basement membrane. These cells are polygonal, म्हणजे यांचे शेप जे असतात ते वेगवेगळे असतात. क्युबॉइडल, क्यूब सारखे असतात. कॉलमनार, कॉलम सारखे म्हणजे खांबासारखे सुद्धा ह्या सेल्स असतात. सिंगल न्यूक्लियस इज प्रेझेंट. या इपिथेलियल टिश्यू मध्ये न्यूक्लियस जो असतो तो सिंगल एकच असतो आणि तो ॲट दी सेंटर और ॲट दी बेस, एकतर तो सेंटरला असेल किंवा तो बेसकडे असेल, बेसला असेल. धिस टिश्यू इज अव्हॅस्क्युलर. इट हॅज अ गुड कपॅसिटी ऑफ रिजनरेशन. म्हणजे ह्या इपिथेलियल टिश्यूची गुड कपॅसिटी कशामध्ये असते? रिजनरेशन. रिजनरेशन मीन्स हिअर त्याच्यामध्ये पुनर्निर्मिती करण्याची क्षमता भरपूर असते. पुन्हा पुन्हा निर्मिती करण्याची क्षमता जास्त असते. अँड मेजर फंक्शन ऑफ दिस इपिथेलियल टिश्यू इज अ प्रोटेक्शन. संरक्षण देणे, आतील अवयवांना संरक्षण देणे. अँड इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स इन ॲब्सॉर्प्शन. याचं दुसरं फंक्शन आहे ॲब्सॉर्प्शन, शोषण करणे. ट्रान्सपोर्ट, वहन करणे. फिल्ट्रेशन, गाळणे. अँड सिक्रिशन, स्त्रवणे. ह्या सर्व गोष्टी या इपिथेलियल टिश्यू करत असतात. इपिथेलियल टिश्यू इज क्लासिफाईड इनटू two types, simple epithelium and compound epithelium. This epithelial tissue is classified into two types. First one is a simple epithelium and compound epithelium. Simple epithelium and compound epithelium. Here simple epithelium is made up of a single layer of cells. Simple epithelium मध्ये फक्त एकच लेयर असतो सेल्सचा. Single epithelium consists of single layer of cells. But in compound epithelial there are two or more layer of cells are present, and therefore these lowermost layer lies on the basement membrane. Here we are going to discuss here about simple epithelial tissue. Means we brightly explain here about simple epithelial tissue. In this simple epithelial tissue, first type is a squamous epithelial tissue. Squamous epithelial tissue. Here first one is a squamous epithelial tissue. Squamous epithelial tissue. In squamous epithelial, the structure of this squamous epithelial is like this. All cells on the basement membrane are large nucleus is present and these are polygonal in shape. Therefore here nucleus is present. Here nucleus is present. Here is a basement membrane. This is a basement membrane. Then these are the nucleus. This is a apical surface. This is a basement membrane. On the basement membrane, the first layer of cell consists of single nucleus, and in the apical surface, all cells are flat, thin, and polygonal in shape. Then here, each squamous epithelial tissue, each tissue here discussed about by three ways. First one is their location. Second one is structure, and third one is function. Here the first, these cells, structure of squamous epithelial cells, these cells are found in blood vessels. म्हणजे आपल्या संपूर्ण शरीरामध्ये रक्तवाहिन्यांमध्ये हे सेल्स असतात, ब्लड व्हेसल्स, as well as alveoli. Alveoli means वायुकोश. या वायुकोशांमध्ये सुद्धा ह्या सेल्स काय असतात, प्रेझेंट असतात. अँड सीलोम इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज अ बॉडी कॅव्हिटी. म्हणजे या सेल्स आपल्या बॉडी कॅव्हिटीमध्ये पण प्रेझेंट असतात. स्क्वॅमस इपिथेलियल टिश्यू, लोकेशन ऑफ दिस टिश्यू, दीज आर प्रेझेंट ऑन blood vessels, alveoli, as well as on the coelom. Then next one is the structure. Squamous epithelial tissue are, the cells of this tissue are flat म्हणजे पसरट, thin म्हणजे अतिशय काय असतात, thin असतात, पातळ असतात, polygonal म्हणजे मेनी शेप असतं त्याचं, with serrated margin. These cells of this tissue fit together like a tiles of footpath. म्हणजे ह्या एकमेकांना अशा कॉम्पॅक्टली अरेंज असतात आणि त्यामुळे ह्या कशा दिसतात, जणू काही फुटपाथचे जे टाइल्स असतात त्या टाइल्स सारखे ह्या दिसतात. and hence it is also called as a pavement epithelium. Prominent spherical or oval nucleus is present at the center of the cell. याच्या सेंटरला काय असतो, ठळक असा न्यूक्लियस असतो, प्रॉमिनंट ओव्हल इन शेप. न्यूक्लियस इज प्रेझेंट at the center of the cells. And last one is a function of the squamous epithelium is, first is a protection. It protect all the inner parts of the body. Therefore protection is the main function of squamous epithelium. Second one is a absorption. Absorption means शोषण. Here squamous epithelial tissue absorbs the nutritive materials. Then next one is a transport, then filtration and secretion. All these functions are present in squamous epithelial tissue. Then second one is a cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal epithelial tissue. Here cuboidal epithelial tissue, all tissues are cube-like structure, means the tissues are like this, and all tissues here are like cube, means these are arranged like a cube. These are arranged like this. All tissues are like here cube-like. म्हणजे घनासारखे हे टिश्यू काय असतात, अरेंज असतात. घन जसा असतो तशा ह्या टिश्यू सगळ्या अरेंज असतात आणि म्हणून याला क्युबॉइडल इपिथेलियल टिश्यू असं म्हणायचं. ह्या टिश्यूमध्ये here cytoplasm surrounding the nucleus. then this is a basement membrane. Basement membrane. Third one is a nucleus. And here connective tissue. This is a cuboidal epithelial tissue. Here, this type of tissue, the cells are cuboidal, cube-like, means cube-like structure in shape with a spherical nucleus. Nucleus आपला spherical गोलाकार असतो, which are present at the center. Function is absorption as well as secretion. It is found in lining of pancreatic duct. Pancreatic duct म्हणजे स्वादुपिंडातून निघणारी जी वाहिनी आहे त्याच्या लाइनिंग मध्ये ह्या क्युबॉइडल एपिथेलियल सेल्स असतात. सलायव्हरी डक्ट म्हणजे तोंडामध्ये असणारे जे सलायव्हरी डक्ट आहेत, सलायव्हरी डक्ट मध्ये पण ह्या क्युबॉइडल एपिथेलियल सेल्स असतात. आणि प्रॉक्सिमल अँड डिस्टल कॉन्व्होल्युटेड ट्युब्युल्स ऑफ नेफ्रॉन. नेफ्रॉन म्हणजे किडनीच्या ज्या पेशी आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये प्रॉक्सिमल कॉन्व्होल्युटेड ट्युब्यूल आणि डिस्टल कॉन्व्होल्युटेड ट्युब्यूल ह्या दोन्हीमध्ये नेफ्रॉनच्या ह्या काय असतात, ह्या क्युबॉइडल एपिथेलियल टिश्यू असतात. यानंतर उरलेल्या रिमेनिंग पार्ट जो आहे याचा आपण ते नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहणार आहोत.